While I really do enjoy the Galaxy Z Fold line, and the Z Fold 4 is, one of the best devices on the market. In fact, in a recent video for another channel, I said it was the best premium phone available that came out in the year 2022. I really do like these devices. One of the biggest problems with them for me, and something I've criticized Samsung for, is the sluggishness with which they update these devices. On my Z Fold 2, which I had prior, that thing was routinely months and months behind, not just on getting updates in general, like new features, bug fixes, so forth and so on, which you could argue didn't necessarily need because there were a ton of features and not a lot of bugs already. But the bigger issue is they were months and months behind on delivering the security updates. Google will roll these things out every month. Every month there's a new security bulletin where there are security things that are fixed in Android, and then OEMs will take that security bulletin, roll it into an update, and then send that out to their devices. Well, that is in theory, because like I said, Samsung was not routinely doing this for the Z Fold 2. When it first came out, yeah, it was up to date most of the time. But as it got older, as it reached that 1 year mark and then past that 1 year mark, that really stopped being consistent at all. And like I said, we were often months and months behind. On the Z Fold 4, we started off a little bit rocky. The thing came out and it didn't get a security patch for, I think, like 2, almost 3 months maybe after the device came out. And that led to a lot of people like myself saying, Samsung, this is an $1,800 device. You can't just not deliver the security updates for this thing. You have to roll this stuff out. Well, since then, a few good things have happened. One, the One UI 5.0 beta is out on the Z Fold 4 in many different regions. So I am effectively running Android 13 now on this device. So that is a very, very good thing. But then second to that is something a bit more recent. Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 are now getting the November 2022 security update, more or less, in the United States. And of course, November is only but about a week old now, and we are already getting a security patch. So that is a very, very good thing for Samsung to have done. That is a good look, and it's something that they're going to have to continue to win that confidence from people. Now, I've seen a lot of people that have, kind of defended this after I made my video, and they said, yeah, but security patches aren't that big of a deal. What's the big deal? Well, I think it is a big deal because you want your device to be secure, and it's kind of like the minimum effort thing, right? That security bulletin, rolling that out, is not a big deal. We're not asking them to introduce new features every month. We're just asking them to keep our $1,800 device secure. And if you are spending that much money on a phone, I feel like it's not unreasonable to expect that you're going to get, top of the line software support for that device. You can look at something like Microsoft's Surface Duo or Duo 2, which does get its security patches every month, usually towards the beginning of the month. It's getting that security bulletin. It was getting it much more consistently than Samsung was delivering it. And I know that Samsung has way more phones to deliver updates for, right? There's a lot more iron in the furnace to be tending to and looking after. And I get that. But again, I think if you're spending that much money on a device, you should expect that the OEM is going to be prioritizing the software updates on that device. And I want to say, so far, Samsung, seems like you're picking things up and you're doing a little bit better. That One UI beta, it was a little bit slow to get to us. It's here now, and there's already been an update rolled out on it, and it's looking good. And then again, security update already early in November. So good job, Samsung. Keep it going. Let's keep moving on these updates, and let's keep things up to date as best we possibly can. Guys, short video, but if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss more. I will see you on the next one. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.